What up guys, this is Pastor Cano again. We're coming up with another video in C Sharp, and today we're going to be talking about the out parameter. We already talked about the reference parameter before in the previous video, and now we're going to talk about the out parameter. So what is the out parameter? So the out keyword means that the parameter returns a value and is not used to supply data to the function. Okay, let's see an example so we can understand a lot better. So okay, let's start. Let's create an integer, an int. So let's just say right here, uh, int val 1 equals 10 semicolon. We're going to have another one, an int by the name val 2. So maybe not 20, not 11, but we're going to say 20. Okay. Now right here, let's create a function that will return nothing, and we're going to call how do we call it, plus times. Let's call plus times. Let's call it plus products. Oh yeah, let's call it plus time. Okay, and we're going to pass some parameters right here. We're going to say int um, arg1. We're going to pass another integer. No, we don't need a point. We need to, okay, right here we got another int r2, and now right here we're going to say out um, out. We're going to say int, and right here we're going to say sum, comma, and out int product. Cool beans. Open and close a parenthesis. Okay, right here. So this function right here, it takes two integer arguments, right? And then so we created these parameters in sum and in product, which this one they're going to be returning the values of the integers right here. Okay, um, so the out keyword means that the function, it doesn't expect to be giving a value here. These two, like I said, these two parameters in sum and in product will be used to return values back to the caller inside the function. Okay, so let's do sum equals, we're going to say right here arg1 plus arg2 right there, and then we're going to say product. We don't want to do subtraction, we're going to do a multiplication times. Okay, now let's create our int right here. We're going to say int a and also b right there. Cool beans. So we have that, and then right here let's pass our function plus time plus times right here, and then open closing semicolon, and then right here, so we got these two values right here, right? We got the value 1, which is 10, and we get the value 2, which is 20. So we're going to pass those values right here, those values. Oh man, let's fix that. Let's go back. Okay, comma, let's just do val2, and then right here, yeah, let's get those values, which is going to say out, keyword out, and then variable A, and then we want the variable B, out B. Okay, semicolon. So let's let's see what we got. So console that right line, and right here we're going to use string interpolation to get those values, and we're going to say A, and then we're going to say comma, and then B right here. Okay, cool. So okay, let's run the program. And let's see what we got. It's taking a little bit longer. It's a little bit slow, my computer. Okay, we got 30 and 200, right? Yeah. So we got these values right here. Let's see. Okay. So arg1, so the value is 10, right? For arg1. So 10, and then R2 is going to be 20. That's going to be 30 right here. And then we get a multiplication. The arg1 and R2 is going to give us 300. That's 300. Hold on, let me just get back right here. Oh, we got 200 right here. Okay. So arg1 is going to be 10, and R2 is going to be 20. So multiplying that's going to be 200. Okay, that's what we have right here. So all right, so why do we use out parameters? So basically out parameters, it is used to enable a function to return multiple values. Yeah, and normally these out parameters, like I noticed, if you check in older codes, you're going to see a lot of those out parameters being used to return some values. But I mean, it's not recommended anymore. But this is just for practice. If you see it, you will know what's going on. But now we're using to return multiple values. We use a oh man, how do you say it? Tuples. Tuples. Is that how you say it? Tuple structures, which we're going to be talking about in the next video. But anyway, so hopefully this video can help you out in your journey. Just pretty short one, but trying just to talk about these out parameters. When do we use it? And you will know a little bit maybe when you see it out there somewhere in an older code version. All right. Thank you very much and have a nice night. See you next. Bye.